everybody, I'm back. Another Monday morning and we're going to start soap making again today. Today I'm going to do a batch of Elijah's Comfort. Somebody requested this a short while ago. I have made this before on video, but it's a while ago, so I thought we could update and do a new video using the new £5 nurture moulds that I've got. I do get some questions about the rose petals when I use botanicals and things like that, and how come they don't go brown. So something I want to address in this one is, in this soap, I'm going to show you. It's an essential oil blend, this one, and it's orange, lemongrass, ylang ylang, and something else, which I'll tell you throughout the video because just off the top of my head I can't remember. So in this one I use some reef red clay, the Australian reef red clay, which is this colour. So I put my rose petals into this portion of the soap batter, so if they do go brown you won't know because they're in the red clay. So I use a little bit of red clay, and then the rose petals, you can see them in there, but because of the red clay they look red. So there's that. And I'm going to use some titanium dioxide as well, and yeah, let's get going. Just got to heat up some oils and get them all ready, and yeah, see you in a second. Okay, so I've already stick blended this to a light emulsification. I don't want to go too crazy because this soap does have a tendency to thicken a little bit. And I'm also using an extra virgin olive oil, whereas usually I would use a lighter olive oil, and this one, so it might be a little bit thicker, so it's just emulsified and not a trace just yet. So I'm just going to pour off my colours. I'm going to use my Elijah because it's already there. So I'm just going to do this for the red portion, which will have the rose petals in it. Like that. I don't want too much, most of it is a white base and a little bit of red. Okay, so I'm going to take some of my red clay here and a spoon. You don't need too much because it's really strong, so about a teaspoon. And then my rose petals, I just want like a handful, so just pop those, I may as well use those up, so 2 handfuls, 2 handfuls. Okay, now we want to leave that aside and wipe. I'm just going to add my white to this before I add any of the essential oil blend. I just want to be careful because I don't want this to accelerate on me. Okay, so there's titanium dioxide just mixed with a bit of water, and I'm just going to stick blend this slowly. Okay, and I'm going to do this one as well. As you can see, it's like super red. Staying nice and fluid. Good. Leave that to the side a sec, and then we can start to put the fragrance in now. Yeah, if I need to stick blend anymore I can, I just don't want to just put a little bit in that red there. Just a bit, and the rest into the base. So it's geranium oil was the other oil I didn't mention in the beginning. So it's orange, lemongrass, ylang ylang and geranium. So it's quite a citrusy floral blend. Okay, so I'm going to get the mould. Ready for pouring. 2 moulds today. So we're ready to go. Yeah, it's thickened up already. Like that. side. And my red. Just going to do some high pours. Okay. And just going to chopstick it now just to get a swirl in there. And then carry on with the rest. So this soap, I do a different topping on this one. I just do like a really nice set of wavy like peaks on the top, rather than the toppings you're used to seeing me do on here. So random bits of soap, and I swirl it all in and then peak the top. Make sure the ends are as high as the middles, otherwise you end up with your end pieces of soap being lower than the rest and it ends up being lighter. You don't want that. Somebody asked me why do I cut the ends off when I cut the soap, and that's usually why, and also because it gives me samples. For customer orders, I like to always put a freebie in my box. What I mean now, it thickens up pretty fast, this one, and I am using a water discount anyway, so that's why I didn't want to take it to trace in the beginning. Okay, so I'm just going to swirl over the top a bit before I peak. Like that. Okay, now I'm just going to take the chopstick and just go through and make waves with the chopstick. It's quite thick, so it's quite difficult to actually bring the mixture up underneath because it's thickening underneath really quick, but it's okay. We can just get the peaks in. I'll leave a picture in a sec so you can see the close-up of it wet. There we go. That is Elijah's Comfort Soap made. Whew. It's a bit fast and furious, that one. Okay, so I'll leave you a picture at the end so you can see what that looks like, and I'll be back for the cut. See you in a bit. Okay, ready to cut Elijah's Comfort Soap. So, today I've got orders to pack today, so that's going to take me probably all day, so I've got quite a few to do. As we had some new stuff go live on the website at the weekend, so if you're interested in buying anything like that you might have seen me make, then you can go check it out. Links are all below, as are links to all the equipment that I use, the bowls, the cutters, the everything. It's all there. I still get asked all the time because I'm constantly getting new subscribers, which is great. But with that comes the same questions over and over again. Where did you get that bowl from? Where did you get that cutter from? And it's all linked below, so I shall have to just keep saying this in my videos so that you know where to look. Okay. Okay, so let's see. Always takes a lot of strength this first cut. I have to be careful because I don't want to snap my wires. And the soap's always pretty hard because I do a water discount, so it hardens quicker. There we go. Oh, very nice. Okay, so usual end piece. And then the swirl will start to come in 2 or 3 bars down. Oh, that's gone quite deep to the bottom on these ones, but here we go. Start swirling up now. Yeah. Usual Elijah. So you can see, you might not be able to see because it's not too close, but I'll leave some soap, pictures of the cut soap at the end so you can see the rose petals in there. They've gone like a black colour. They go quite black, which I guess they've gone brown, but it looks black against that red clay background. There you go, some swirls are coming up now. So yeah, happy with this. It's such a lovely fragrance, this one. It's quite like a soft floral. It is floral, but it's got like it's not like sickly sweet then. It's just a really nice natural blend because of those essential oils. It's just nice, really nice. And I always like it when I make it. I leave it quite a lot. I leave a big gap between making this one, because I don't want people to get too used to it and then not ever want it again, which is what happens sometimes. If you continuously make the same thing, people get bored and they want to try something new, you know. So I don't always keep the same soaps in stock. It's nice to rotate, and then it's always a nice surprise when you bring back something that people have enjoyed. So that's Elijah. So the next video I will be making Tawanda, which is the fried green tomatoes inspired soap, and I'll be back for that one very shortly. Still trying to get 2 videos uploaded a week, so this one will probably go up this evening, which is Tuesday. I normally would prefer them to go up Mondays and Thursdays, but we can do Tuesday and Thursday this week. Doesn't matter, it doesn't have to be stuck to, does it? So there you go, that is Elijah, and I'll take some pictures for you so you can see some close-ups at the end. Okay, see you soon.